Hey there, it's Simon here. I hope you are good. We are going to learn Michelle by the Beatles today. Stay tuned. Alright, thanks very much for watching this video. We're going to learn the chords and then we're going to learn the solo. If you would like the chart, go to www.patreon.com/Simon Morell, where you can access the chart and 2,999 other charts that I have written. Now, we are going to kick it off with the chords like I promised. Here's the intro. Let's turn the guitar on. That will definitely help. So we've got an F minor. And then we're going to play an F minor with a major 7. So F minor is 10, 9, 8. And all I'm doing is basically going thumb, ping, yeah? So we've got... You see, it's basically one of the notes is dropping all the time. This is a really cool old jazz trick. If you know how to play My Funny Valentine, you might recognize it. So we've got F minor major 7, F minor 7, F minor 6. You see that note is just dropping all the time. And then we're going to play B flat minor over F. Just pitch through that. So all I did there was, and then top string, not open but 6, then 9 on the B string, and then we're going to slide from a B to a C, so 7, 7, 8 to 8, 8, 9. All right, pretty easy. So that whole thing. Pretty cool, huh? Then we are going to kick off the verse. We start off with an F with an A bass. That is 7, 5, 6, 8. So we've got 8. And then we're going to play a B flat minor 7. 6, 8, 8, 8, 6, 6, 8, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. It's an E minor 7 shaped bar chord. Then we're going to play an E flat 6. We've got 6 and loads of 8s. I use my little finger flat across there, but you could use your third finger flat across there. And then we're going to play a D diminished, which basically is 6, 7, 6. Now here's the trick with the diminished chords, that all of the intervals are a minor third apart. So you can kind of go 3, 3, 3, 3 all the way up and down the neck. Like that. And you're effectively playing the same chord. And then we hit C. And then this is a G7 with a flat 9. And then back to C. Okay, so let's hit that again. We've got F, B flat minor 7, E flat 6, then the D diminished thing, 6, 9, 12, 9, and then into C major, G7 flat 9. Okay, that basically happens twice. And then the chorus is F minor. Terrible singing. A flat 7 at the 4th fret, and then D flat major at the 4th fret, A-shaped bar chord. Okay, and then C7, then F minor. And then we're going to hit that riff. Okay, now those are all the bits. And it just runs around, round and round and round. And so then eventually you just play chorus, chorus, and that's it. Now, in the solo, we're going to start off. it starts off slightly before the 1, right? So you get this kind of triplet thing. Da, 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 da. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But the first of the ones, if you see what I mean, is a rest. So you get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now those notes are C, D, E, F, G. Yeah? Okay, and then we're going to land on an F. We're in F major. At the beginning anyway. Now the chords knock around and he just basically follows the tune. Okay, so let's just check that out. We've got 8, 10, 7, 8, 10. And then we're going to start here with 8. So that's kind of the start of the solo, if you like. And then we're going to go 8, 10, 7, right? So you can see that this pattern, this 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 kind of pattern comes in handy. That's really a major scale pattern. You've seen that before, right? You must have seen that before. You must have seen that before. So let's kick it off again. We get 8, 10. And then 8, 10, 7. Okay, and then we're going to go to 11 and all the way down to 6. Okay, so then we just had 8, 10 on the D string, 11, D string, 6. Okay, next line. So we have it's a G over the E flat, and then we're going to hit E flat to F. So, and then 8, 6, 8, 5, 6. Okay, and then 5, 7, and then it all kicks off again. All right. So from the kind of the run in, we get next bit, next bit, next bit. Last part. And then we walk up that again. You see what I mean? And that is how you play the solo. So we've run through the chords, we've run through the solo. It sounds like that's probably it. Please do subscribe and click the bell for regular lessons. There are 2 every single week. And of course, if you can support the channel, that would be unreal. You can go to patreon.com/Simon Morell. I will see you next time. So please do subscribe and click the bell. I have heaps of other Beatles lessons. I think there's a playlist of about 30 or 40 Beatles songs, something crazy. So go and check that out just there. And I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye. USB 2, USB 3.